Lesson 6. Plants and trees around us. Plants and trees are very useful to us. They give us food, wood, rubber, paper, medicines, etc. They also purify the air, give shade, and provide shelter to people, birds, and animals. They belong to all of us. They are an essential part of our environment. You can see different kinds of plants and trees in the forests, parks, and along the roads. Forests have plants and trees that grow naturally. Have you ever thought who grows plants and trees in the parks and along the roads? Let's learn about it. Who looks after trees? In cities and towns, it is the responsibility of the municipality to plant trees and flowering bushes along the roads. Usually, a metal cage is placed around the young saplings to protect them from being eaten by cattle or being uprooted or trampled upon. This is called a tree guard. The saplings are watered by water tankers sent by the municipality, especially in the summer season. In the rainy season, young trees get enough water from the rains. Trees are an important part of the wealth and resource of a country. The forests of every country are protected areas. The Forest Department protects the trees that grow in the wild. They also plant trees in forest areas. Trees are also grown in wildlife sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. These trees are numbered and nobody is allowed to cut them. Unfortunately, some greedy people cut down trees to make money by selling them. It is the responsibility of the Forest Department officials to prevent the cutting of trees. Wild plants. Some plants grow wild around our neighborhood and in the countryside. Some are undesirable because they do not let domestic plants grow and are called weeds. Some others are not good for health. However, there are countless wild plants that have great medicinal value and still more, whose value is still undiscovered. The majority of wild plants add beauty and variety to our lives. Let us learn about a few plants that are considered weeds. Congress grass grows commonly along roadsides, riverbanks, railway tracks, and construction sites. This weed is known by many names in India, such as Gajar Booty, Chatak Chandani, Gajar Ghas, Gandhi Booty or White Top. It is a threat to plants, animals and human beings as it causes skin problems and allergies. Daisies are white and small rounded wild flowers with spoon-shaped evergreen leaves. They can be found in hillsides or meadows. They cannot be easily destroyed and often grow like weeds in lawns. Daisies attract bees, butterflies, and birds. Water hyacinth causes a lot of harm. Growing up to 3 feet in height, it has thick, waxy, rounded, glossy leaves, which rise above the water surface on long stalks. Besides blocking boat traffic and preventing swimming and fishing, water hyacinth prevents sunlight and oxygen from entering the water and gradually endanger aquatic life. Plants with medicinal properties. There are some other wild plants which are useful to us. Some have amazing medicinal properties. Gotukola, Bhringaraj, and Amallaki support liver health. Amallaki and Gugula are used to cure or prevent heart problems. Trifla, Shilajit, Sarasaparilla root, and Haritaki fruit benefit people with joint pain. People with stomach problems can find relief with Damiana, hawthorn, and pipali. Domestic plants. Some plants and trees are grown in our homes. They are useful as they check dust, pollution, give shade, and provide oxygen. They also give fruits and flowers. Some people have vegetable gardens or a small vegetable patch in their gardens. Some even grow plants such as mint, tulsi and coriander leaves in pots. People who have large gardens grow fruit trees. They plant guava, lemon, jamun, papaya, lychee, etc. But the kind of trees grown depends on the soil and climate of the region. Some trees are ornamental, that is, they add beauty to the garden. The Ashoka, Kadamba, Ficus, Kachnar and Dhak are some examples of ornamental trees. People living in forests. Some people live in forests. They are known as tribals or Adivasis. They survive on the plants and trees that grow there. They rear plant-eating animals and eat everything that wild animals eat. They eat coconuts, papayas, jackfruits, breadfruits, bananas, blackberries, wild mangoes, wild guavas and figs. Wild onions called chives and wild garlic are also found in the jungles. Tribals also eat young shoots of the bamboo and the inside of the banana trunk, which is very tender. They eat the roots of some plants. Many people believe that forest dwellers are its best protectors. They look after the forest because their lives depend on them. Forest dwellers also have a good knowledge